Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm creating this beautiful interior element using an old clothing rack. I went to Plantagen, which is a huge store in Finland. I ended up finding everything I needed here. I know murets are quite difficult, but I really wanted to try one since I wanted at least one hanging one, and this is the only one I found that is the right size for me. I really wanted some different options. I knew that I wanted some neutral color jute strings, but as soon as I saw this, I knew I had to have one. There's so many different options for pots. I ended up using white and light green ones, since I wanted everything to be really natural. I wasn't sure if I wanted this bigger one or the smaller one, so I ended up buying both. Here's the golden little hanging basket, if you can call one so. All the pots are different sizes and that is fine. I want some variation for this little plant curtain. Put some gravel at the bottom. That way it can breathe if there's too much water in the plants. When the plant fits the pot, fill the rest with mold. Repeat with other plants. Water the plants. Here's the empty rack, and here it is with the first plants. I had some wooden pearls I wanted to use for the ampoules. For one ampoule, I wanted to color the pearls. I ended up marble coloring them. Used some water and then some blue and beige nail polish. here's how the pearls ended up looking like. I cut 8 pieces and they are each about 60 to 80 centimeters long. Make the first knot. The knot is gonna be placed under the pot. Divide the 8 strings into 4 sections. Each section has 2 strings. Measure where you want to have the first knots. Repeat so you will have 4 knots. Make the second knot above the first one like so. Use strings that are next to each other. Make sure the pot fits so you don't have to adjust any knots. Hang the ampoule to your clothing rack. For the next 2 ampoules, I'm going to be using the smaller jute string. For this ampoule, I'm going to cut 12 pieces. I'm gonna have 3 strings in all 4 sections because I want to braid the strings. This part is optional, but I really wanted to braid the jute. The hole in the pearl is way too small, so I had to use scissors to make it a little bigger. Now that the pearls have dried, I can use them. And here's the end result. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate a like and please subscribe if you want to see more. Bye bye.